Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this vegan brown bread. Let's begin. To start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your brown flour along with the salt and mix the two until they are combined. You can then go ahead and add in the yeast, followed by the vegan butter alternative. Feel free to use your favourite. Then add in the water and mix on a low speed for 2 minutes, followed by a further 4 to 6 minutes on a medium to high speed. The dough should come together very easily, and once it's fully completely mixed it will be clean, so it will almost clear the bowl. That's completely normal. Then you can go ahead and flour your work surface with some bread flour, and then just place your dough onto it and knead it until it's smooth and elastic. This doesn't take very long generally. Bring the dough into a ball shape and then lightly oil a bowl with some flavourless oil, and then place the dough into the oil bowl, cover with cling film and leave somewhere warm to proof for around 45 minutes to an hour, or until it's doubled in size. After about an hour, or once the dough has doubled in size, you can flour your work surface with some bread flour, then place on your dough and knock it back. This is just a process of removing the gases that are built up during the first proof. You'll then want to bring it back in on itself and bring it into a fat sausage shape. You can then go ahead and grab a loaf tin which has been lined with some parchment paper and place your dough into it, cover loosely with cling film and then leave somewhere warm to proof for 45 to 60 minutes, or until the dough has risen well. It should be above the top of the tin and almost doubled in size, like this. For the baking times and temperatures that you need, they will be in the blog post which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out. Here's what the bread looks like once it's fully baked. Allow it to cool completely before you slice it up. Once it's fully cool, you can then go ahead and start to slice it up as thinly or as thickly as you'd like. I know that sometimes brown bread can come off as quite heavy, but this is the complete opposite of what you can buy commercially. It's much lighter and fluffier and better for you, so don't forget to give it a try. As you can tell, here it is, light and fluffy. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another video, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there, as I will be back to posting on a more regular basis. But all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.